We're here at the inauguration of the DHL facility here in Las Piñas. Sana yung mga taga Las Piñas mag-avail sila ng services ng DHL. Meron sila ditong center na yung mga magpapadala ng mga packages nila, mga letters na madalian, pwede kayo, may retail outlet sila dito near their factory at in Pamplona, Las Piñas, Metro Manila. Sa Pote, Alabang Road.
We would like to welcome you to our newly inaugurated South Service Center here in Las Piñas. And we are proud to announce that we are ready to serve you, even for your retail outlet shipments where you can walk in and drop off your shipments for international shipping. We really welcome you to use our service, and thank you so much for your support using DHL.